Hello, I'm Surti, author of Ultimate Presentations, and I want to talk to you about how you can make your presentation stand out. Boring presentations are usually those with boring introductions, instead of which, open with a fun fact or an interesting example that really sets the scene for the message that you want to share with your audience. Another thing that you can do in the main body of your presentation is to introduce stories. They will really engage the audience and help make your message a lot more memorable. And finally, if you are going to use slides, avoid using bullet points or lots of text in the slides. Swap them with visually stunning images or really clear infographics. That way, it'll support the message that you're sharing and be a much better experience for your audience. So to recap, avoid a boring introduction and replace it with something that grabs the audience's attention and hooks them in. Use one or two stories in the main body of your presentation to help make your information that you're sharing a lot more memorable and engaging. And think about using less text and avoiding bullet points on your slide and replace them with some clear and visually stunning images.